Okay, gonna do a quick review on Morning Glory Original Syrup. This is a Save-A-Lot product. You can buy you can buy it at a Save-A-Lot that's nearest to where you live or work. We go at a Save-A-Lot pretty close here at the house, so we do a lot of shopping there for our groceries. It's pretty convenient to just go there and get everything we need. Kids here, pancakes is something the kids here love to eat, so we fix them a lot. The oldest is starting to do some cooking. He's been doing cooking for probably about a year. We supervise him a little bit when needed. So one of his favorite things to cook is pancakes for him and his little brother and sister. This is something we use this on them. They use this syrup on the pancakes, and I use it on different. I also use it in cooking and stuff too, cooking different things. It's pretty good little, uh, pretty good little syrup. It's got a nice little taste to it. It's a nice little sweet taste to it. It's really good on pancakes and stuff that I use with it in cooking. Kids like it. Both me and my roommates like it. So, pretty obvious. The bottle's pretty much shot. It's about ready to go in the garbage can. And like I said, it's pretty good little syrup. If you like pancakes and you use syrup in some of your recipes and stuff. I like adding syrup with when doing baked beans and stuff like that. This is Save-A-Lot's Morning Delight, I mean. Save-A-Lot's main Morning Delight original syrup. I can't remember what the price of it is right offhand. You can about find it near Save-A-Lot wherever you live or work.